Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about recursion, part of programming in C course. Recursion is a technique in computer programming where a function calls itself. A function that calls itself is called a recursive function. Recursion is used to solve problems that can be broken down into smaller and similar problems. In a recursive function, there must be a base case that stops the recursion. Otherwise, the function will keep calling itself indefinitely, causing an infinite loop. The base case is typically a condition that returns a simple answer, or a condition where the function does not call itself again. In this example, the function factorial calculates the factorial of a given number n. The function calls itself repeatedly until n becomes 0, at which point the base case is reached and the recursion stops. The result of each call to the function is then multiplied together to produce the final result. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.